So good evening guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Mike 001 Plumbing and Services. So today, this evening, I've come to another client at Nyali, whereby he wanted me to fix for him an Arabic shower. So let me show you. This is the Arabic shower, Arabian shower. Here was a plug. This point was plugged, so left for this an Arabian shower. So today I've just unplugged the point and fix the an Arabian shower. So as you can see now, it's working. You see the pressure. See, it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. So after I find this place, I always make sure the place I must left it neat. I must left it neat. I must left it neat. Yeah, as you can see. So another, I've just changed this shower head. I've transformed this shower head to that water assist instant shower. That is a water heater for Orient Electric. So I've just removed this shower, as you can see, and fix an angle valve there. An angle valve. Then I've just mounted this water heater there. So this point, it is for cold water, as you can see there. As you can see, you see, this is the cold water. In, out is for hot water. So which is this one now. So as you can see, so you can see, hope you can see it. Yeah, this is a telephone shower now, as you can see. Yeah, like that. So we just shut off here from here, because the client will not be able to reach this point and shut off. So for you, I just left this point just open, so anyone, the client himself, will just come and open and shut on this one here. So when you shut on this point, so the cold water will just run from there to the water heater there. Then from the water heater now is being heated, coming from there, just running from this point to here, whereby you're going to use hot water. That point is for an electrician. So either this plug here is just for another type, and this one is for round ones. So from there I'm done. So also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Mike 25001 Plumbing and Services. As you see, a lot of pressure. That is a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. This is washing this side. A lot of pressure also. So thank you guys. Keep watching. So that And also don't forget to click the button where you're going to notify each and every video I'm going to upload. Thank you. Have a wonderful moment. Bye. Hope we will see. In case of any comment, any correction, just comment there in the comment section, and just follow each and every comment there.